In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram not sending code to your Android device. So here are some solutions that you guys could do. Number one is you want to check your phone number. So you need to make sure that you entered in the correct phone number, including the country code. So it's really important that you provide the right country code because every single country has its own unique code. So you just want to double check that the phone number is 100% correct, including the country code. The next thing you want to do is you want to verify network connection. So a weak or unstable network can delay or block the SMS. So you want to check your signal strength by looking at the bars over here towards the top right of your device. And you'll notice that I currently have 4 out of 5 bars. So that's not that bad. But obviously, if I were to have like 2 or 1 bar, then that could be an issue. And that could explain why you're not getting the SMMS message. So you want to go ahead and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or move to an area with better coverage. So if you're underground or you're like under a bunch of trees or stuff like that, then what I suggest you guys do is go to a more open area and try to see if that does actually work. I know it sounds a little bit silly, but that actually does play a massive factor. The next thing you want to do is you want to check your settings. So some settings actually disable you from getting like SMMS messages from unknown numbers and stuff like that. So what you would need to do is you need to go ahead and open up settings, then go ahead and look up apps right over here. Then you would need to scroll down until you see messages. So let's go ahead and look for messages really quickly. Yep, there it is. So you just want to go ahead and select on it. Then you want to select on permissions and just make sure that all of these are actually turned on. Make sure that SMMS is actually under here where it does say permissions. But if that doesn't work, then what I recommend that you guys do is obviously restart your device and see if that gets the job done. As a last resort, I suggest that you delete the Telegram application and then reinstall it and see if that does work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.